This question comes up quite a bit. You see it in the comments on Facebook groups. You see it in the comments on our YouTube channel. You see the stickers in the back of cars. Idaho's full. You know, is there still room, or did you miss the boat? It's no secret. Idaho's population has grown tremendously in the last few years. Housing prices have also grown tremendously in the last few years. It's one of the hot spots in the U.S. for conservative people to move. So, you know, you gotta wonder, did you miss the boat, or is there still some space here to get up here and live that dream that you've been thinking about? Move your family here and live the good North Idaho lifestyle. But I also do want to point out that, you know, we're not alone in this problem. If it's a problem, maybe it's not. And that's really the most noticeable growth, because the home prices went up, which is a tough pill to swallow for a lot of people. Bummer if you missed the boat. Most of us did. I think the best approach is to look at it as though it is happening no matter what, and it's important that we attract the right people to the area so that the culture does not change, because the culture up here is great the way it is. It's a fantastic community. People love it. That's why people want to come here. So if we can do it, then I think that's a good thing.